this is going to be a video for arithmetic operations using the ALEKS method. This little video is about an altitude problem. We are asked to find two questions comparing the altitude of two different points in this little problem. Let's read the problem. It says, Leila is riding in a bike race that goes through a valley and a nearby mountain range. Okay. The table gives the altitude in feet above sea level for the 5 checkpoints in the race. Use the table to answer the questions. Checkpoints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then give us numbers: altitude, feet above sea level, 2,949, -149, -54, -212, and positive 1,296. Okay, and the questions we have to answer are these. Question A says the top of the hill rises 349 feet above checkpoint 4. Okay, what is the altitude of the top of the hill? That's question 1. And question B is how much higher is checkpoint 3 than checkpoint 2? How much higher? Okay, and okay, the way we did it is, before going ahead and answering the questions, we made a little sketch. You don't have to do this sketch every time. It's just one way that we like to understand the problem. If we draw a little line representing the altitude above sea level, we can mark it like the 0 in the numbers that we have here. So positive numbers will be like above and negative numbers will be below. So it's just a reference. It's not at scale, of course. It's just to give us some idea of what's going on. And then we have checkpoint 1, high point, checkpoint 2, below sea point, below sea level. Checkpoint 3 is also below sea level, checkpoint 4, and checkpoint 5 is above sea level. Okay, it's just a rough idea. And then the questions that we have, question 1 says we need to find the height right here. We need to find the altitude of the top of the hill. Given this information, it says the top of the hill rises 449 feet above checkpoint 4. So we go and check where is checkpoint 4. We figure that checkpoint 4 is at -212 feet. Okay, and then we need to go above that level. So above means we're gonna add this number. We're gonna add 349 feet. So we add this quantity, and when we add a positive number to the negative number, actually we are subtracting, right? Because it's the operation is -212 plus 349. The answer is 137. Okay, you can do it in the calculator right just like that, or you can do it backwards in the calculator. You can say 349 minus 212. Okay, anyway, the answer is going to be 137 feet. Okay, the next problem, the next question says that we have to figure out how much higher is checkpoint 3 than checkpoint 2. So where is checkpoint 3 and checkpoint 2? Checkpoint 3 is at -54 feet, right? And checkpoint 2, we gotta read the problem carefully. Checkpoint 2 is at -149. So since the question is how much higher, we're looking for the difference, right? So we take checkpoint 4, so it's checkpoint 3 right here, -54, checkpoint 3 minus -149. When we want to find the difference between two things, we subtract, it's minus, so we say -54 minus -149. Okay, you can type it in the calculator just like that, or you can analyze the signs. Negative will be positive 149, subtract minus 54. The answer that we get is 95 feet. That is the difference between the two. Okay, so that will be the solution. okay? And then what you can do is you type it in the ALEKS platform to see if it's right. And when you type these results, it is right. And we get this nice correct symbol. And this is it. Thank you very much. Let us know if you have any questions. Goodbye.